Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse audio in Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Capcut PC and first of all, I'm going to add my audio to the Capcut timeline. So this is the audio I'm going to reverse and I'm going to add it to the timeline. Okay, and before I reverse this audio, I'm going to show you the audio. I'm going to play it. And you're always free to believe. Okay, and then if we want to reverse the audio, we just need to click on the audio and then click on this reverse button like this. And then now the audio has been reversed and I'm going to check it guys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio in Capcut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.